Bay window installation. Conway is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles Conway available, residents can choose from traditional to modern designs that suit their personal taste and home architecture. Bay window contractors. Conway are skilled in providing top-notch bay window installation services. Conway AR, ensuring a seamless and professional finish. Custom bay windows. Conway offer a unique opportunity for homeowners to personalize their living spaces. With bay window customization Conway AR, you can select from a range of bay window materials Conway AR, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, to match your home's aesthetic. Bay window experts, Conway can guide you through the process, helping you choose the best bay window options Conway for your needs. Energy-efficient bay windows Conway are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay window specialists Conway can provide you with the latest bay window solutions Conway to enhance your home's energy efficiency. Bay window replacement. Conway is a service that many homeowners require when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Bay window replacement. Conway is also available for those who need minor fixes to restore their windows' functionality. Affordable bay windows. Conway ensure that you can upgrade your home without breaking the bank. Bay windows Conway design is an essential aspect of creating a cohesive and attractive home exterior. With various bay window dimensions Conway to choose from, you can find the perfect fit for your space. Bay window aesthetics. Conway play a crucial role in enhancing your home's overall appearance, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Bay window cost Conway can vary depending on the materials and features you choose. However, the bay window benefits Conway AR, such as increased natural light and improved views, often outweigh the initial investment. Bay window enhancements. Conway can further add value to your home, making it a worthwhile upgrade. Bay windows Conway trends are constantly evolving, with new designs and features emerging regularly. Staying updated with the latest bay window upgrades Conway can help you maintain a modern and stylish home. Bay window maintenance. Conway is also essential to ensure your windows remain in top condition for years to come. In conclusion, bay window installation Conway offers numerous benefits for homeowners looking to improve their home's appearance and functionality. With a wide range of custom bay windows Conway and energy-efficient bay windows Conway available, you can find the perfect fit for your home. Trust the bay window experts Conway to provide you with the best bay window solutions. Conway for your needs.